Hi guys, my name's Ehrin. I am a PD2 student at University of Houston downtown. This is a video for my science methods class. It is for an interdisciplinary study unit. We're teaching a science lesson using multiple subjects. So the one that I chose to do is going to be teaching about the rock cycle. So I'm going to start off with the students making some rock cycle fudge, and we're going to sing a rock cycle song. This is going to be for a 6th grade classroom. Then we're going to explore different physical properties of the rocks, and they will have to classify the rocks in igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic rocks and do a flow chart. They will then have to get in groups and explain their classifications and justify their classifications based on the physical properties that we have. They will then elaborate with what physical properties of different rocks by writing a obituary for a particular rock of the rock cycle of that rock's specific life cycle. Then lastly, they'll evaluate by creating their own rock cycle diagram, and they will then have to summarize the rock cycle that they created. So for our math aspect of the lesson, they're going to have to definitely do the correct measurements so that way they get the tasty rock cycle fudge created right. Then they're also going to have to place rock samples in chronological order, so they'll have to be able to do that as well. For the English language arts section, they're going to have journal writing whenever they are doing the classifications of the rocks. And during the obituary notice, they'll have 15 minutes to write out an obituary of a specific rock. They'll have to include the name, how it was originally formed, and say something about its life. And then they'll also be writing the summary that comes along after they created their own rock cycle. For social studies, they'll have to research the ways earth materials were used during different time periods in history, and that will go along with whenever they're classifying for properties during the explanation part of the unit. For art, they're going to be creating the rock cycle fudge. They'll be singing the rock cycle song, which is going to be part of arts, not necessarily art. And then during the obituary section, they're going to have to draw a picture of the rock that they're making the obituary for. So overall, it's going to be a very extensive lesson that will probably go over at least 2 or 3 days in a middle school classroom. And it'll be able to show students that you're going to use multiple subjects in science, that all subjects are connected, and so they're all important. And hopefully they'll see that the rock cycle is important. Thank you.